country scene of rolling meadows, broad and green, a quiet shrine where we can find, instead of siren wails, the sound of nightingales, together in some small cafe. We'll taste ambrosia's rare bouquet. I'd gladly give my last centime for this dream, strictly entre nous, most intimate. Life's pace is a furious race. The rustling, bustling gets me, upsets me with civilization and more relaxation now. Slow down, get reacquainted with yourself, and leave your city sorrows on the shelf. There's one ambition on my mind. I'm simply wishing we'll design a life of peace, a world serene, and I mean strictly tete-a-tete, so indeed. Bude trka za njim, za voštane snobove, te vječne robove, civilizacije bez relaksacije. Naš bijeg od svega možda bit će dug, jer vezani smo čvrsto u taj krug, a nek nas vodi želja ta. U svijetu mira ti i ja, u dvoje sad mi pođimo kroz taj svijet, intimno i uvijek tete-a-tete.
Bravo!
Hvala lijepo, thank you.